Well, we looked for an event agency to launch the new Mini, the new original in the region, representing the most important launch since 2001. Why? Well, the Mini Hatch represents the heart of the Mini brand, as well as 1/3 of our regional sales volume. Whereas also the following task had to be fulfilled: a creative interaction with customers, as well as innovative and customer engaging elements, and of course lead generation in a playful, mini fun way. The challenge was that the event consisted of 3 elements: an 8 days importer drive event and training, a 2.5-month roadshow of customer launch events throughout the region, as well as another 2.5 months of another roadshow of mall displays across the GCC.
When we first received the briefing from Mini, we were naturally very excited, especially given that this is such an important launch and the most important for the region since the relaunch under the BMW brand. Now, to bring such an iconic car from first originally built in the late 50s into the 21st century in this country provides quite a challenge. But on the other hand, we saw that there's also a great parallel to this country because it's a very old country, but yet also very young. And this kind of spirit we also wanted to incorporate into our concept. In addition, did we want to incorporate dynamic, tradition, all these very important aspects and characteristics of the brand into our event concept. So naturally, for us, it was quite clear that we're not going to go into a traditional ballroom or race car setup because that's where typically car launches happen here. We wanted to find something that really also resembles the brand and this new car. It was quite apparent that the Al Quoz area in Dubai would be a perfect fit. All the workshops, you have workers, you have very cool artsy people, new restaurants, new shops opening. So this was for us already clear that we're going to go into that area. The next challenge was for us, or creative brainstorm challenge, how can we incorporate all the cool, iconic things about Mini, but with a new twist of the new car. Here we developed quite a few elements, and I think one of them for me resembles the most also what the car stands for, and that is our so-called Mini telebooth. Now here we used an original British telebooth that everyone knows because it's an icon as the car, but inside we kind of like put very modern and up-to-date social media elements, which speaks also for the car.
Well, I can surely say that this was the best Mini event I've done within 7 years of being with the brand, thanks to Salt and Pepper.